Are you ready to participate in a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson? The title of the lesson is Slide Foot Backward on the Floor. Let's begin. Stand on the feet, please. Place the feet comfortably apart and parallel. Slide the left foot backward and return to the field parallel position on the floor a few times. The left foot goes only behind you, not in front of you, and comes back to the floor directly below you. Feel how smoothly the foot slides on the floor. In other words, feel the friction between the foot and the floor. How far back does it go? Leave it and stand with feet apart. Do it like this. Before you slide the foot, lift the foot a tiny bit from the floor. Then slide it to the place and put it on the floor. In another word, lift the bone but leave the skin of the sole on the floor. Slide the foot like this. The left foot goes backward. Every time it stops, put the weight on feet, on the left and the right foot equally. Notice if you lift a foot from the floor, you lean on the other foot. Otherwise, the foot does not slide smoothly. Leave it. Walk around a bit. Come back to the place, please. Stand with feet apart. Now, slide the left foot a bit backward and return it. Do it again many times slowly. Try not to bend knees as we are learning how to use the pelvis and the hip joints to slide the foot backward. What happens to the pelvis as the left foot goes backward? What happens to the upper body as the left foot goes backward? Now try this. As you slide the foot backward, turn the pelvis left. And return the pelvis as the foot comes back to the parallel position. Do it like this a few times. Does the foot go back more than before? Where does the foot go? Does it go to the right as it goes backward? That means the foot draws an arc. Is it necessary? Next time the foot is at the hindmost position, backward position, stay there. The head, the chest, and the pelvis are turned to the left now. Okay. Now turn the head left and right many times. Pay attention to the neck. Do not turn the head to stretch the neck. Simply turn the head left and right within the comfortable range. You may turn the eyes with the head. Leave it and return the foot to the parallel position. Okay. Simply slide the left foot backward and return a few times. How did the arc that the foot draws change? Pay attention to the head. Does it look left as far as before? Next time the foot is at the hindmost position, stay there. The head, the chest, and the pelvis are turned to the left now. Okay. Now turn the chest and the head together left and right many times. Turn the chest and the head right and left. Now turn the head and the chest in the opposite direction. When the head goes left, the chest goes right. Now turn the head and the chest and the pelvis left and right together. The head, the chest, and the pelvis turn left and right all together. Leave it. Walk around a bit. Come back to the place, please. Stand with feet apart. Now, slide the left foot a bit backward and stay there. Now turn the head and the chest together to left while the pelvis alone turns right. The head and the chest go opposite to the pelvis. You may find it a bit awkward at first, but try it. And move them even in small range. Even if you do not do well enough, the brain is notified of what you intend to do. That is a point of the lesson. Try it for a while. Leave it. Walk around a bit. Come back to the place, please. Stand with feet apart. Be aware or make sure that your body is in the upright position. Now, slide the left foot a bit backward and return it. Feel how far backward the foot goes by doing it simply. Avoid turning the pelvis left this time. You may very well find the foot goes far less than a minute ago. And, that is okay. Now, do it like this. Bend the upper body forward as the foot goes backward. And when the foot returns, the upper body returns upright position. Next time the foot is in the backward position, stay there. You are now leaning forward and the left foot is placed backward. Okay. Now, bring the upper body upright while the foot stays there. And bend it forward. Do this many times. Bend forward and then straighten up. The movement is mostly made at the hip joint. Leave it and walk around a bit. Come back to the place. Simply slide the left foot backward and return. How do you find the movement now? Is it easier? Does the foot slide with fewer glitches? Leave it and walk around a bit. Let's work on the other foot. The right foot. Come back to the place. Stand with feet apart and parallel. Slide the right foot backward and return a few times. Try to remember the simple procedure of doing it when you worked on the left foot. How did the head turn? You need to make a mirror image of the movement of the left side on the right side. How did the chest turn? How did the pelvis turn? How did the upper body bend forward and straighten up? How did the hip joint work? Now alternate the right foot and the left foot. Continue to make a mirror image of the movement of the left side on the right side as you do it alternately. Leave it and walk around. Now walk backward to feel the remains of the lessons you learned. Feel any difference between the right and the left. Walk forward a few steps and then backward a few steps. Do you feel the remains of the lesson when you go forward and backward? What do you feel as differences between going forward and backward? This concludes the lesson. Thank you.